Yo, what's the motherfucking deal, YouTube? It's your boy EJ, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, I'm here with my baby. It's been a long time, man. I then took a long ass break. God damn! God damn, man. Shit, couple little things and shit that been going on. Little fucking spray paint on the wheels and shit. I put my wicker bill on this bitch. Shout out to my nigga Tay. And other bro, I forgot his name and shit. But them niggas helped me get that shit together. My shit just been looking right, man. I just been taking care of this bitch for real, for real.
Are you sure about that?
I'll be lying like a motherfucker. Y'all see the title and shit? I'm gonna give y'all some little cut up action and shit. It's some sun out here and shit, so I'm not really fucking with it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and... So yeah, man, it's nighttime and shit. Y'all niggas know what time it is. But first, let me give y'all boys a little bit of a cold start, man. Let's fucking get it, man. All right, man, so let's get this shit going. This shit acting weird. There we go. All right, man, let's fucking get it. I'm gonna be using the paddle shifters and shit. Hey, so it seemed like a lot of people confused about how you use these motherfuckers. Let me know if y'all want a video on it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna make a separate whole video. Cause that's how you get them, you know, them downshifts. That should be sounding sexy as hell. Woo, shit. I guess I can spin a little bit for y'all. Throw that bitch in sport real quick. That bitch there. Love the sound of that 345, man. Man, I need to get a fucking taser, bro. That's what I need, a fucking taser to get some fucking SRT pages and shit. Y'all know how that shit be. Go ahead and let this... I guess I'm gonna go. Good looks. I just like the way this shit sound, like when it's bouncing off, when the sound bouncing off like walls and shit, and the shit be coming back. That shit be sounding beautiful. Like right here. Shit, man. Let me roll the windows up a little bit. This one cracked a little bit. Hold on. All right, there we go. Get a little freeway action and shit. I'm gonna gun it a little bit. I ain't gonna do too much of shit. Cause y'all gotta remember, these bitches slow as hell, but they sound good, I tell you that. I need to run some cheese up, man, so I can get a tune and shit for this motherfucking custom tune. Cause notice how enough y'all can see that. If y'all can see that at the RPMs, like where the red meet, that's where the motherfuckers shift. But when you got like the SRT8s, the 6.1s, the 6.2s, and the 6.4s, them bitches be shifting at fucking 6K plus. You feel me? That shit only shift about, you know, about 56, 57K at the most. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and get over here. I know it be wide open and shit. Do that thing in sport. Shit. I get a couple downshifts right here. See if y'all can hear this. This shit sound amazing. I'm gonna get over, man. It's wide open. Alright, I'm gonna gun that bitch. Hold on, man. Look at this bitch. Not using they fucking blinkers, man. I hate people who do that dumb shit. Like, why the fuck would you not use your blinkers? Alright, I'm gonna keep the windows up because hopefully y'all heard that shit, man. But if y'all didn't, man, I'm sorry, man. But I just gotta get some shit out. You feel me? I gotta get some shit out. It been too long. Like I said, I apologize for that shit. I'm not doing that shit no more, bro. But I was making like TikToks and reels and shit. So go ahead and follow my gram and shit. I'm gonna drop that bitch in the link in the description. But I've been making like little TikToks and reels and shit. I ain't been like totally off everything and shit. I'm gonna turn around and shit, man. I'm gonna get back on the freeway. This time I'm gonna do this bitch right, bro. I'm gonna do this bitch right. Ooh, boy, them damn downshifts, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. All right, we good now. All right, I'm about to launch this motherfucker in a second. Get people like this who leave they fucking blinkers on and don't, like, come on, bro, is you going or not, my nigga? Damn, shit. You feel me? I don't know why people be doing that dumb shit, bro. I low-key want a drink. I'm gonna go to the gas station. I need something to drink to this bitch. There's only one gas station that I really go to for real. So I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I get back up on the motherfucking streets and shit, man, so y'all can hear this shit. Alright, so we coming up this shit. Get some downshifts. motherfucker, bro. I swear, people can't fucking drive in this whole ass state, bro. These motherfuckers are so terrible. Always crashing and shit. Always doing dumbass shit. This little bitch be snatching sometimes out of nowhere. This shit, bro. Ain't nobody even on this motherfucker. Like, bro. And then the shit goes along with traffic. Nigga, that's a RS7. Goddamn, I'm just not looking. Fuck that shit, bro. Driving behind that slow ass shit. I can't really do too much because 12 be out here, man. I got pulled over because of that bullshit ass fucking people mover, bro. That whole shit, that whole ass rail, bro. That motherfucker. See, they was working on this destroyed ass fucking street, and nigga, I was trying to go somewhere. Then, of course, these niggas had to be working on the motherfucking street and shit. And then I'm not trying to wait behind this motherfucking rail, you feel me? I had somewhere to be. So me and this nigga both lined up at the light like this type shit. And then that's when I'm like, I'm not about to wait. So I did like a quick 30. I didn't go too fast, but I went past the motherfucking, the whole ass cop pulled me over on that whole shit. And I didn't even think to tell him. I was just trying to get in front of these motherfuckers. Like, damn, bro. Nigga talk about you gonna tow my car. Nigga, you ain't getting shit. Fuck that. Park right here and shit, man. Grab this little bitch right here. hoes. Hell yeah, man. So yeah, I think that's a little cool little coming back video and shit. I like the way these fucking headlights look when I put it in that mode and shit. I think that's a cool little coming back video and shit. So go ahead and comment what y'all want me to upload and shit. But man, I'm getting off this bitch, man. Peace.